So in this video, we are going to learn how to share new WooCommerce product on different Facebook page based on category. Let's say you are selling some products online using WooCommerce and you are selling different categories of product, and for each category, you have created a different Facebook page to market them. Now you want that whenever you add a new product into a specific category, you want to automatically share a post on your Facebook page of that category as well. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can automate this process. In this automation, as a new product will be added in our WooCommerce store, automatically based on the category of the newly added product, we are going to share the post on a Facebook page. Let's say the category of the product is, for example, clothing, then we are going to create a post on the Facebook page which we have created for our clothing business. If you add a product and select the category of the product as furniture, in that case, we are going to share a new post on the Facebook page which we have created for a furniture business only. Now, if you want to know how you can set up this complete automation all by yourself, for that, you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my WooCommerce store. Now I want that whenever I add a new product on my WooCommerce store, on the basis of the category of the product which I'm selecting, the details of the product should be shared on my Facebook pages. Let's say if I add a product and select the category as clothing, it should share on this particular Facebook page of Divine Glamour, which I have for my clothing business. If I add a product and select the category as furniture, then automatically the details of that product should be shared on my Facebook page, which I have for my furniture business. Now to automate this process, we have to connect our WooCommerce store with both of our Facebook pages. And we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation platform to build this kind of automation logic. Now to get started with Pabbly Connect, you will get a free sign-up link in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. After creating your account and coming to this dashboard, we have to create an automation workflow over here. For that, just click on this Create Workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I'll name it as WooCommerce to Facebook. You can basically give any other name of your choice. Then just select the folder of the Pabbly Connect account in which you want to set up this automation and click on Create. And as you click on Create, here you can see the workflow will open in front of us. In this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger step. Now the idea here is, first we are going to connect our WooCommerce store with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, so that whenever we add a new product, automatically the details of the same product should be received inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow should trigger. For that, here in trigger step, in choose app, we will search for WooCommerce. After selecting WooCommerce in trigger event from the drop down, select the trigger event as new product added. So we'll just scroll down, search for the product over here, new product created. After selecting this trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. Now we have to add this webhook URL in our WooCommerce store. And to add the webhook URL, we just have to follow the instructions given below over here. Just copy the webhook URL from here and go to your WooCommerce account. After coming to your WooCommerce account, like here in my WordPress account, I have added this WooCommerce store. Just hover on it and go to WooCommerce settings. After coming to WooCommerce settings, what we have to do, we have to go to this Advanced tab. And under Advanced tab, you can see this option of webhooks. Click on webhooks. After clicking on webhooks, here we have this button of Add Webhook. Just click on Add Webhook button and then we are going to add this webhook URL. Let's give this webhook URL a name. I'll name it as Pabbly Connect. Then here the default status of this webhook is disabled. Change it to active. Now here in topic, we have to select the topic as product created, because we want WooCommerce to send the data whenever a new product is created in our WooCommerce store. Then it is asking us for the delivery URL. Now here in the field of delivery URL, we have to enter the exact same webhook URL which Pabbly Connect gave us. Just copy it from here and paste it over here. After pasting the webhook URL, just click on Save. And as we click on Save, we will see our WooCommerce account will get connected with Pabbly Connect and we have added this webhook URL in our WooCommerce account. After adding the webhook URL, here we will come to Pabbly Connect workflow and we have captured this test response. This means the connection is successfully done. Now click on this Recapture Webhook Response button and select Yes. And it has now changed to Waiting for Webhook Response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to capture some response of a new product being created from WooCommerce. So let's check it. We'll go to a WooCommerce account over here, and after coming here, we will go to the product section and click on add new product. And here we are going to enter the details of a new product which we are going to add in our WooCommerce store. Okay, so here I've added the details of a dummy product. The name of this product is Urban Fit Hoodie. Then after that, I've added the description, the price details, the short description, and also an image of this product. After this, let me select the category of this product as clothing. And then I'll just click on this publish button. Now, as we click on publish, here you can see this product is now added in my WooCommerce store and published on my WooCommerce store as well. After doing this, as I click on this link over here, the same product will open in front of us in my WooCommerce store. So this means this product is published. Now after this, we'll come to a Pabbly Connect workflow, and here in the trigger step, you will see within few seconds, we are going to receive some response over here. And the response is received. And in this response, you can see the details of the exact same product which we have published just now. Here you can see the status of the product, that the product is published. You can also add and keep the product in draft, but we only want to share the Facebook page post as we publish the product. So we are going to add a filter condition in the next step that if the status of the newly added product is published, only in that case, we are going to share the Facebook page post with the product details on the respective Facebook page. Then here you can see we have the slug and the SKU over here. Then after that, you can see here we have the short description of the same product. We will scroll down further. Here you can see we have the sale price. Then we'll scroll down further. Here you can see the regular price. You can see the price details in HTML format too. Then you can see here is the permanent link. This is the link using which the customer can visit this link and make the purchase of this product. They can just buy this product over here. Then we have the name of the product. We will scroll down further, and then we will see the details related to this product as well. And also you can see here is the image over here, and then we'll see the details or like description. And after that, here you can see the details like category. So here you can see we have the category name over here, and the category name is clothing. So on the basis of the name of the category which we are receiving with the new product details in response from WooCommerce, on this basis, in the next step, we are going to set up a router. We are going to create 2 or multiple different routes in this automation workflow. And on the basis of the category, we are going to select that on which Facebook page we want to share the post. Now here we can see that all the details of this new product is received inside Pabbly Connect, and the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. Now after this, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we are going to set up router. We are going to create multiple routes in this automation. So we'll scroll down, come to this action step, and here in choose app, select router over here. After selecting router, in action event from the drop down, select the action event as conditionally run. Then just click on connect. After clicking on connect, by default, it has added 2 routes, but by clicking on this add route button, you can add multiple routes as per your choice. But in this video, because we want to share the post on 2 different Facebook pages, we are going to create 2 routes. If you have more than 2 pages, let's say if you have 3, 5 or 10 pages, you can basically create a dedicated route for each and every Facebook page. Then we are going to set up this route 1. Click on the set filter and action step button, and the first thing it asks us is the filter. That how this automation workflow is going to decide, how it will come to know that the automation workflow should be continued using this route. So we are going to set up a filter condition on 2 things. The first thing is the status of the product, like if the product is published on a WooCommerce store, only in that case we want to share the Facebook page post. And in this first route, we are going to set up the automation in such a way that we are going to share the details of a new product on our clothing page or our first Facebook page. So here in this filter step, you can see we have this option of select label, and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from WooCommerce. Out of all of these responses, we are going to select the response of status first. Select status over here, the filter type will be equals to, and the value will be published. After setting up this filter over here, like after selecting the label as status, filter type as equals to, and value as published, click on this AND condition button. And then here another field is added. This time from this drop down, we are going to select the response of the category name. So we'll just scroll down, select this label of category 0 name. The filter type will be equals to, and in value, we are going to enter the name of the first category which we have, for which we want to basically set up this automation. So the first category name is clothing over here. So I'm entering clothing. Like if we get the response of category name as clothing and the product is published on our WooCommerce store, in that case, the automation workflow will continue using this route. Now we'll click on this save and send test request button, and here you can see because the product whose response we have captured in the trigger step is having the category as clothing, that's why it is showing us the condition is true. Now, if the product is published and is in clothing category, what we want to do, I want to share a post with the product details on my clothing business's Facebook page. For that, we will scroll down, click on this add action step button over here, and here in choose app, we will search for Facebook pages. Just select it. After selecting Facebook pages, an action event from the drop down, select the action event as create page post or create page photo post. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Facebook page, our Facebook account with Pabbly Connect. Click on this connect with Facebook pages button here in this pop-up window, select your Facebook account and click on continue. And as we click on continue, we will see our Facebook account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the next thing it is going to ask us is the page. So in this drop down, you can see a list of all the pages which we have created in our Facebook account. Out of all of this, on which particular page we want to share this post, we have to select that. Now here you can see that the name of my Facebook page which I have for my clothing business is Divine Glamour. So here I'm going to search for the same product over here, same page, Divine Glamour, and select it. That using this route, we are going to create a post, share a post on this Facebook page. Then it is asking us for the photo URL. And here in the field of photo URL, we are going to add the image of the product which we have added while adding the product in our WooCommerce store. Now after this, what we have to do from this drop down, here you can see a list of all the responses of a new product which we have received from WooCommerce in the trigger step. Here from the trigger step responses, we have to search for a response of the image of the product and map it over here. So in this way, we have mapped the product image over here. Then it is asking us for the description, that what is the description or the caption we want to add in this Facebook page post. Okay, so this is the kind of caption or the message I want to add. New arrival alert, upgrade your style with latest, and here I want to add the name of the product which we have basically uploaded or added on our WooCommerce store. So here from the WooCommerce responses, we'll search for the response of the name of the product and map it over here. So I'll just scroll down, search for the name. And here it is. Just select and map the product name over here. The perfect blend of comfort and fashion. Get yours now. And then here we have to add the shop now link over here. So here in front of shop now, we want to add the link of the page on which the users can buy this product. So here from the WooCommerce responses, we are going to search for the response of the permanent link and map it over here. So in this way, I want to share a Facebook page post with the details of the product image and the purchase link. After adding the caption of your choice, adding the details of a new product in this caption and mapping the product image URL, just click on save and send test request. And as you click on save and send test request, here you can see we are going to receive some response over here. And the response is received. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that a product image is posted on our Facebook page with this caption where we have the link of the product as well, from which the users can buy this product. Now let's check our Facebook page. We'll come to the same Facebook page which I have for my clothing business, and after refreshing our Facebook page, here you can see that just now a new post is shared. And here at this post you can see we have the same details. We have the name of the same product, the same caption over here, and also we have the link of the same product. And we have the same product image as well in this post. If I click on this link, it will take me to the same products page. From here the users can buy this product. So in this way, we have created the first route of this automation. Like if I have selected the product category as clothing, then using this automation, automatically as I upload or publish this product on my WooCommerce store, a new post will be shared on my Facebook page for my clothing business. Now we have to basically clone or set up the same route for our other Facebook pages or other categories of the product as well. Like I have this second Facebook page for my furniture business. So what we are going to do, we'll just clone this exact same route which we have created over here and delete this extra route from here. After deleting the route, let me just start renaming the route. The route 1 was for example, clothing. The route 1 was for products of clothing, and route 2 is for furniture. Click on update. So we have created two routes. We have basically set up first route of clothing just now. We have cloned the exact same route of furniture, and we are going to make some changes in this clone route. Click on this set filter and action step, and because we have cloned the previous route, we have all the steps over here, the exact same step. Here in the filter section over here, in the filter step, what we have to do, we just have to change the category over here. From clothing, we are going to add the category of the product as furniture. Like if the category of the newly added product is furniture, then the automation workflow will be continued using this route. Now, after updating the category, let's click on Save and Send Test Request, and it is giving us the condition as false. Because the response which we have captured in this workflow is of a product with clothing category. It does not have the category as furniture. That's why it is showing us the condition as false. Then after that, here in our Facebook page action step as well, what we have to do, we have to just change the Facebook page. Click on this refresh button over here, and after clicking on this refresh button, what we have to do, from this drop down, we have to select the Facebook page which we have created for our furniture business. So Arma Furniture Store, this is the name of my Facebook page over here. I'll just search for the same Facebook page and select it. Now after this, here in the field of photo URL, we don't have to make any changes. We have mapped the product photo URL and it is going to be the same. But here in description, we have added this description according to a clothing business's Facebook page. But we are going to clear this description and add a caption or a description which is suitable for the furniture business or our furniture business's Facebook page. So let me just add a description or the caption over here. And this is the kind of caption or description I want to add. Elevate your space, introducing the, and here after that, here we are going to enter the name of the product. So I'll just search for the name of the product response over here and map it. And then we have rest of the caption. And here in front of shop now, as you can guess, we are going to enter the permanent link of the purchase over here. Just select and map the permanent link. So in this way, I have just added a simple basic caption over here. But if you want, you can just customize this caption as per your Facebook pages or business requirement and add some other details as well. After making all of these changes, just click on Save. And as you click on Save, this action step is saved. And we have completely created this automation using which, on the basis of the category of the product which we are selecting while adding a new product in our WooCommerce store between clothing and furniture, on that basis, as we add a new product, automatically a Facebook post will be shared on that respective businesses or categories Facebook page. Like if I add a new product now with the category as clothing, then automatically that product's Facebook page post will be shared on that particular clothing brand's Facebook page. And if I add a product with a category as furniture, then the Facebook page post will be shared, which I have for my furniture business. Now after setting up this automation, we are going to test this automation workflow once. I'm going to add a new product in my WooCommerce store. And this time the product category will be furniture. So let me just enter the details of a new product over here. Okay, so I have entered the details of the product. The product name is Nordic Oak Coffee Table. We have the description, we have entered the price and other details, short description, and also added this product image. Now let me select the category as furniture and publish this product. Now as I click on publish, here you can see this product is now added on my WooCommerce store. So if I click on this link, the product page will open. And instantly within seconds, we will see a Facebook page post with the same product details, and this page's link will be shared on the Facebook page which I have selected for my furniture business. So I'll just refresh this page once, and after refreshing the page here, you can see that just now within seconds, a new post is shared. In this post, we have the name of the same product which we have published just now, and also the link of the product. If we click on this link, it will take us to the same page as well. So this means this automation which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find a clone link of this exact same automation workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can just do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.